What is going on, everybody? Back at it again with a new video. So today is May 12th of 2021. Current time is 9:15 a.m. and so we're looking at NERV. And so I traded this stock and I had a solid uptrend right in the morning from 8:30 to like around 8:44, 8:43. About lowest it went was 252. So a good position to get in with this top and this bottom right here, which the low is like 153, would have been to get in around like 255 and then plate that nice uptrend right there for about 16% of upside if you would cut the bottom and the top. Ideally around like 10%, about 25 cents, and if you would have been a little bit more patient, sold right in here at like 38 cents. And so my prediction was that it was going to fade and then break out this level so I bought in at 252. No, yeah, 292. Sorry about that. 292. Bought at 292. And the reason why I bought at 292, I thought it was going to break this level and start heading up and go towards around the 313s or so, or even approximately 303. And so my reward was to get in. My reward was to get out for about 6%, 6.8, and so that would have been around almost that solid resistance on the upside. So right around 312, that would have been my my point of exit for my reward. And so I thought it was gonna break out that level, but it was faked out. So the highest it went was that 3 level, and then it touched that and then immediately dropped. And so I would like to risk half of my reward, which is around 3%. So that would have been to get out right here at 283. And so it breaks that very quickly, and I thought, I was like, okay, it's probably just gonna bounce and then go back up to this level. And what I should have done was just cut my losses immediately from right there and then it starts to keep on fading slowly, tick by tick. So just bouncing back, but it's heading towards the downwards momentum. And so right here at 268, that's where I decide to exit right here. To save myself a little bit more, I should have cut right here at like 273, couple more dollars or so, but it looks like it's still heading on the bottom, still heading on the downside. From where it's heading right now, it looks like it's just gonna start downtrending throughout the whole day, or probably just if it breaks this resistance point right here, it's probably, that support zone right here is probably just going to fade and fill out this gap right here. But or I think it could probably just start uptrending on the upside and break this eventually later on the day, but I'll keep you guys updated. Okay guys, so market is now officially closed for today. Current time is 3:19 p.m. and so closed at around 258. So and it opened at 262, so a cent above from where it opened. And so I just drew a couple things that might be clear to see. So right here is we get a little congestion from where I bought. I think the lowest it went was around 260 from right here, and then the lowest of the day was around the close, about quarter to close, or like almost like what is that, 225. Lowest one was 254, and so again, we get congestion right here, and then this is 1 day 5 minutes, and so eventually it starts to break out right here at this resistance point, and then touching this high right here. This was a true resistance, and the high was 283, and then 285 again. And more ideal would have been to catch right around here at like 262, and then sell right around here at 282 for about 7% of upside, about 19-20 cents of upside, or even catch some right here at 265 and selling it right at like 283 for about 6.68% and 18 cents of upside. But right here we don't get a clear direction of where we're headed right here. This is like a point where it's deciding where it finally wants to go, and then eventually it breaks a little support zone right here where it created at 266. That's a little base, and then scooping it back up at, again, then topping at that 285, and then we get a hard crack from this high at 281, dropping really hard down low to 258, and then eventually touching this low of almost low of day, but not quite, at 254. The true low of day was right at the beginning in the open, which is 252. So again, what is this? 254. So about 2 cents more. I think tomorrow is probably just gonna keep on fading down. Let's see a whole 3 minute. Yeah, I think it's still gonna keep on fading till tomorrow. And so that was my trade for today. I could have stayed patient and gotten out right here for a smaller loss, but then again, I did get out where I did is because I was already down significant, because it cracked really hard right at the beginning right here. And so and then this was a nasty drop, so I think this was the most a nastier drop than right here. You had time to get out around this time frame right here. Right here you had clear direction of where to get out right here, because it's starting to fade, but then you think it's probably going to keep on popping back up right here and touch around like 280, 283, or even touch VWAP, and then that was clearly a fake out, especially this fake out breakout right here where it breaks out this high and then it touches a greater high at 3 and then crashes back down, creating that that like downwards momentum. And so that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys did like this video, comment down below what you learned and subscribe. Peace out, everybody.